Thank you for joining me. Today, I have a presentation on Provolt controls by Leviton. The Provolt control system allows you to choose from a variety of flexible and cost-effective options that can be used to comply with lighting control requirements for both NECB 2017 and ASHRAE 90.1. This system requires fewer devices when compared to other competitive solutions, as well as it is budget-friendly and easy to both install and commission in the field. Previously, the use of control systems has subsequently meant more work for the specifier. Being able to understand the intricate interconnections of systems and how this system will be delivered physically in the field can be frustrating and time-consuming, creating a tendency to have a favorite. And what I mean by a favorite is a singular control system for the specifier to understand and utilize on projects in order to save time in the valued engineering process. However, this is not always practical, depending on the budget and size of project and the desired versatility of the control system. Provolt by Leviton simplifies advanced lighting controls, eliminating the need for separate power packs, daylight harvesters, and occupancy sensors on your bill of materials. Provolt integrates several control strategies into a compact, self-contained, and easy-to-install device, offering a 3-in-1 solution. What composes the Provolt control system? Firstly, the Room Controller app, which offers quick and easy room configuration and testing with the use of a smartphone. This control system has a zero commissioning option for the 01C through 4C models by utilizing dip switches on the back of the devices. But it also has a separate Bluetooth 2 configure option for the 5C and 6C models for commissioning and programmable applications. The line voltage photocells, which are self-contained mini daylight harvesting systems offering the functionality of a 0 to 10 volt dimming photocell. And then we have the line voltage sensors, which combine the line voltage occupancy sensors and photocells into a singular self-contained unit as well. Let's take a closer look at the Provolt control system components. The Room Controller app allows you to locate and name your devices. Set your passive, infrared, and ultrasonic device sensitivities. It allows for timeout, auto-adapting, walkthrough, partial on, and partial off settings. You can choose between auto on, auto off, or manual on, manual off. You can adjust your dimming, demand input response levels, and your HVAC under plug load controls from the app as well. The flexibility of the Room Controller app makes commissioning in the field flexible, easy, and user-friendly, eliminating a need for costly third-party commissioning expenses that don't always fit into the project's budget. The line voltage photocell is a self-contained daylight harvesting system that combines the functionality of a 0 to 10 volt dimming photocell and a power pack into one simple budget-friendly device. It is capable of dual zone dimming in selected models and should be mounted 4 feet from your daylight sources in both the closed loop and open loop applications. The line voltage occupancy sensor is also a self-contained unit that combines the functionality of a 0 to 10 volt dimming photocell and a power pack into one simple budget-friendly device. This device is where you really see the cost savings with the Provolt control system. It is combining the functionality of a power pack, daylight harvester, and occupancy sensor. This device is still able to have demand inputs and your HVAC and/or plug loads. To further understand the simplicity of the Provolt system, here's a schematic of the PRC06C model. We have our singular line voltage connection to the Provolt PRC unit. From the unit, we have 2 loads. Load 1 being a line voltage 120 volt connection to the luminaires, and load 2 being a low voltage signal that goes to a power pack to control your desired HVAC or plug loads. On the low voltage side of the PRC, we have our 2 dimming channels to the luminaires, a primary dimming and secondary dimming for dual zone dimming applications, as well as a demand response input and our main input that is a low voltage signal from our desired switches. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me or the sales team here at LSW Lighting. Thank you for your time.